Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to type the square root symbol on your Mac. On Mac OS, the fastest way is to use the keyboard shortcut Option V. This works in almost any text editor. For example, you can use it in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, right inside your web browser's address bar, or in TextEdit. Another method you can use is opening the character viewer. To do this, press Ctrl-Command-Space. When the viewer pops up, just type square into the search box. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the square root symbol. Just double-click it and it will be inserted right into your document. Now, here is a pro tip. If your workflow involves a lot of data entry and you use special characters frequently, you can add a shortcut to your menu bar. Go to System Settings. Scroll down to Keyboard. Under the Text Input section, click on Edit. In the menu that appears, look for All Input Sources and toggle on the option that says Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. Once that's on, you'll see a new icon in your top menu bar. Whenever you need it, just click that icon and select Show Emoji and Symbols to bring up the character viewer instantly. You can also open the keyboard viewer from here if you need it. So, that's how you type the square root symbol on a Mac, along with a quick tip to manage your emojis and symbols better. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.